on adventures like never before. Enjoy a whole new way to explore more easily. Or just have fun and add more creativity with your favorite water sports. Introducing the Lafitte S1, a lightweight and customizable sea scooter designed to give you maximum power. Lafitte S1 redefines what you can do in the water, making it the perfect companion for your next adventure. The lightweight modular design of the Lafitte S1 was designed to promote creativity by encouraging you to decide which accessories to add for endless possibilities and unparalleled fun. Use Lafitte S1 in handheld or wrist mode, or combine two S1s for more power and thrills. Never miss a moment with the built-in camera mount. The powerful engine can cruise at speeds up to 3.5 miles per hour. Lafitte is committed to providing maximum power on demand, which is accomplished using the unique brushless motor and long-lasting batteries. The batteries are also flight-safe and ultra-lightweight, making traveling with the S1 a breeze. And most importantly, it's safe. Kids can mount it on the floating accessory for more fun. Water pressure sensors and intelligent speed control ensure you don't exceed the vertical speed limit. The Lafitte S1 can take you where you want to go. Above all, Lafitte was designed for fun. Swim more, see more, and do more with Lafitte, the world's most compact, powerful, and modular sea scooter that delivers performance like no other.
Introducing the Sea Flyer by RoboSea, the most versatile personal propulsion device to hit the water. The Sea Flyer is designed for scuba divers, snorkelers, or anyone who just wants to get around in the water faster. The Sea Flyer will help you dive deeper, move quicker, and explore more. The Sea Flyer is fun and easy to control. Simply pull the trigger and get going. It operates like an aircraft with two propellers on either side. So whichever direction you turn, that's where you'll go. The propellers are uniquely designed to draw the water away from the user for a smooth ride. And the motors are quiet enough not to disturb the sea life, so you can swim along with them. With 2 speeds, you can cruise through the water on low or kick into high gear for a faster ride. The exclusive OLED panel displays water temperature, depth, gear status, and battery life. With 60 minutes of fly time, you can see more than ever before. Divers can save energy and oxygen in their tank, and snorkelers can explore further on a single breath. If you're not a strong swimmer, the Sea Flyer will boost your ability and helpfully propel you through the water. You can attach a GoPro directly to the unit, so you can capture your adventure and even take a selfie with your new best friend. The Sea Flyer's sleek look has been ergonomically designed, so it looks cool in and out of the water. It's buoyant enough to float in the water, so you don't have to worry about it sinking to the bottom. At 2 feet wide and weighing only 8.8 pounds, the Sea Flyer can comfortably fit into your day bag without any complex assembly. The Sea Flyer is the perfect addition to any of your water activities, and is ready to turn your day into an unforgettable adventure.
Ever since I was a kid, I have dreamed of flying with mermaids through the ocean. Now, Trident makes it possible. Trident is the integrated underwater scooter. It's your best water companion. Whether you are a professional or amateur diver, Trident makes you fly through the ocean with fan and ease. Built with powerful dual engine, Trident can easily support strong thrust of up to 26.5 pounds. 2 variable speed, the max speed of 4 miles per hour and 2.2 miles per hour for static ocean sea. Diving up to 164 feet, Trident engage you to explore the wonderful deep ocean world. With heavy battery capacity, Trident can keep you running for 60 minutes, durable for you to enjoy various flying styles and adventures. Specifically designed with a child safety lock, Trident keeps your child safe from danger. Born with positive buoyancy, you'll never worry about losing it in the ocean. Attach your GoPro to your Trident. Capture stunning videos about your ocean adventures and vivid sea scenes with your friends. Trident, your fantastic water companion, available today.